We're taking our first set of students in 2025. My name is Dr. Tali Wilson, and I'm the director here at School of Makeup International, better known as SOMI. In May of this year, we will be enrolling our first set of professional makeup artists for our 12-week Beauty Fundamental Makeup course. This 12-week course is designed to improve your skills, build your knowledge, and master industry techniques. This course will feature history of makeup, tools of the trade and products of the trade, hygiene, sanitation, and safety, makeup artist appearance, client consultation and understanding clients' needs, industry code of conduct and ethics, workstation setup, posture, and positioning. You will also learn various glam and fresh faced looks for certain ages and gender while perfecting various techniques in brow shaping, strip lash application and individual lash application, skin types, color theory, warming and cooling colors, the color wheel, the psychology of colors, color correcting and concealing, correct application and choice of foundation, highlighting, contouring, strobing, blush, eyeshadow and corrective techniques, eyeliner techniques, lip shapes and corrective techniques. We bring real-life scenarios into the classroom. Our seasoned professionals will guide you every step of the way, ensuring you gain the confidence and techniques needed to excel. That's not all. You will also receive a complete kit with professional grade products to be used during the course. Ladies and gentlemen, this course is no joke, and only those who want to learn to be a professional makeup artist need to apply. Originally, this course is valued at $15,000, but we're only giving it to you for $5,000. Invest in yourself. Calling all of my professional MUAs. Course starts the 7th of May to the 24th of July, every Wednesday and Thursday at 6:30 to 9:30. See you there.